again seen US crude crossing 100 levels last week. When I told you last week in my analysis that go long if you see it trading beyond this zone and specifically above 96, definitely we will see it hitting $100 levels. In fact, 101 is the double top it has made. Now what is going to happen next week? Which position you should take in order to make profit? What could be our strategy in order to make profit? We'll see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. And yes, those who are new, let me share that I provide my daily analysis on US crude very early in the day with the Asia session along with other commodities including natural gas, and there are other videos on gold, silver, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE Germany and Nifty, Bank Nifty as well. So do press the bell icon, do watch this analysis. Now look at the weekly charts here on US crude. You will find that almost the bottom is done, the top is almost, it is traded sideways in between 101 and 93 levels. And now what is going to happen next week? Let's have a more detailed look. First we look into the charts followed with indicators. Now look at this here, it is giving on the daily charts higher lows, that is important for us, and then higher highs. So precisely trying to trade in this channel, just close the month below 100, that is the more important level for me now. So see, one thing is it is trading and giving higher lows, so the bears are not very much there. However, there is a strong resistance above $100 levels, and if it sustains above 100 next week, definitely you can expect it to fly high again, and possibly then one can expect that we might look for it to achieve 105 levels. But this is just one part of the story. Let's have a more detailed look here. Now let's see what oil has done till now is achieve this zone. This was the support zone. I told you many a times that here if you look at 88 to 92, there is a support zone. From there the rally started and it has achieved higher highs. Now it has achieved these levels, and this was the level it was waiting for it to achieve. Now precisely achieving this. See, most of the indices and commodities, the levels which we had described, in fact gold achieved 1680, US crude achieved 88 levels, Dow Jones achieved 30,000, Nasdaq at 11,000. All of these levels were pre-decided, and we had expected this to achieve it, and we had already predicted it few months back that these levels are going to come. And similarly with oil, these levels have come yet again, and it's trying to take a support with these and trying to bounce back. Now I'll be watchful of 100. If it trades above 100 successfully, and then definitely one can expect that it is going to come back to this zone at 105, 106, and it may enter into the trading channel in which it was trading for multiple days, multiple weeks, and probably beyond 106, 107 we can expect it to resume the bull run again. But till then I'll be cautious. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a more detailed look on the weekly charts here. On the weekly chart, this was the last week was pretty much of last week was pretty much of consolidation. In fact, last week was itself a sideways move, which what we had seen. Now only short entry one can expect next week is if it trades below the zone at 92, then only I will recommend you to stay short in US crude, and then one can expect that it is going to drop further, else we can expect it to open in green, resume the bullishness. Be watchful of 100 and 101. If it trades above this, definitely 105 levels should get achieved, so you can take your trades accordingly. Now I will come back to the exact entry, precise entry I'll give you towards the end. Now look at the monthly charts here, and I told you wherever it goes it might come back, as we can see this a similar size of candle. Now look at this, the candle size. See, last month it is traded with lower highs, lower lows, and yes, the candle size this time is diminished, however leaving a long tail behind. But do watchful of, now it makes us understand that yes, if it breaks out beyond the zone at 106 and 107 rather, I will say, if it trades beyond 107 next month, yes, you should consider that as a reversal, and then 110 should come into picture. If it trades above 110, definitely we can expect it to resume the bull run, and then it is going to fly high again, and possibly this time it is going to achieve 120 and plus levels again. So see, multiple green candles, 2 candles of retracement, now again resuming the bull run possibly. See, the impact of rise in prices of oil will definitely bring again the inflation on cards, and the prices may soar again, and then the world may again talk about the recession. So right now it is trying to cool down a bit, but if the prices or the inflation has to be in control a bit, these prices are going to play a vital role. So I'll be watchful of this. Any move beyond 106 and 110, definitely we may see US crude rising next month also, and then it is going to fly. So be watchful of 106 and then 110. If it trades beyond 110, definitely we can see a stronger bullish move taking it towards 115, 120 and plus levels. This time, in fact, it may achieve the top at around 130 if it continues to trade in this bullish zone. At the same time, yes, below 95, you can go short there, and one can expect it to achieve a further lows, and then we can expect that it may give you a third red candle, because two red candles and third red candle in succession may achieve, and then $80 levels, which is also the next target for US crude, as it is traded in between this $70 and $80 for multiple months before the rally resumed, and hence this zone has pretty much of importance. And then probably below 95, 94 we can again expect it to drop further. Now this is just on the daily, weekly and monthly charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts here. Look at the 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, you can observe higher highs, higher lows trying to trade in this. The support they are at now at 96 is strong, and yes, if you see it trading below 96, you can go short there. But then the support at 95 and 94, these two levels till 94, you have to be cautious. Once it drops below 94, definitely a further drop towards 92 and 90 levels will come into picture. In fact, it can try to drop sharply till towards 84 if it continues to remain in a bearish zone. So go short at 96. We are narrowing our no trade zone for sure, and see the levels at 100 and then 101. So yes, if you see it trading now, look at this here. See, trying to trade in this channel, and if it takes a support at 96, 97, then bouncing back from here, yes, you can remain long. I'll rather recommend you to go long at 98 itself. Beyond 98, one can expect that it may attempt and achieve 101, 102 levels. Once it goes past 102, definitely we can look forward to 105 levels. So in between 96 and rather I'll say 98, do not trade, but a larger no trade zone which appears where it may get a support and resistance on the upside and downside is 94 and $106 levels. In between these $12 for the rest of the week and for the rest of the month, we have to be cautious while taking any side or any position. But yes, for the next week, you can go long at 98 and you can go short at 96. That is what it appears. But let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicator suggest here? Look here, it traded outside the Bollinger Bands and got the strong pullback again on the downside. Yes, there is a strong support which is coming to picture at 97, precisely on at 97 levels. 97 is a very strong support which one must be watchful of. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is willing to converge, crossover RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the daily chart, on the daily chart, it is trading above the 20 period moving average now, and yes, that is a good support level, that is precisely at 97. And yes, if it tries to rise from here, possibly we can see a stronger bullish move trying to trade in this channel, and hence 102 levels should be the next resistance beyond 96 levels. So yes, if it trades above 97, possibly you can stay long, and then you can expect it may further rise. So yes, be watchful of 96 and 98. 98 is the level beyond which definitely one can stay long. 96 is the support. Till the time it trades above 96, we can possibly stay long. The directional movement is bearish. It is look forward to crossover. It is right now converging here. The stochastic is looking vertically up here. And if you look at the MACD, this is wide, divergent and bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is also looking upwards on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, the Bollinger Bands has provided a support. The 50 period moving average and the 50 period moving average rather, I'll say, it is coming to support at $90 levels, and on the upside the resistance at 108 and 110 is very strong, and be watchful of 102 also. So beyond 102, definitely 106 levels, and then beyond that one can remain bullish for the rest of the month. So in sum, appears to be a good entry at 98. The directional movement is bearish though on the weekly charts. So this is making me a little cautious. The stochastic is near to bottom. It is looking forward to crossover and a bullish move. The MACD is wide, divergent and extremely bearish. So probably from here we can restart, or we can expect that it may resume the bull run again. On the monthly charts, if you look at on the monthly chart, the support there at 80 is very strong. And if you look at the directional movement is bullish, it is trying to converge here, but let's be cautious how it behaves next month. We have to be watchful of that. Look at the stochastic, this is vertically looking downwards, possibly trying to enter into oversold zone, hence below 96 and specifically below 94, it may call for a strong bearish momentum. The directional movement is bullish till now. It is looking forward to a conversion on the monthly charts, and the RSI was overbought. it is also looking forward to a vertically downward move. Let's be attentive on what is going to happen next week. Now let me give you the trading levels and the strategy for next week. So first let's talk about the levels to go long. Yes, if you see it trading above 98.18, go long. And before I give you the levels, yes, if you also want to master the art of trading the markets carefully and profitably, taking the right exit and the right entries, you can definitely join my mentorship batch. The 13th batch is starting on 8th of August. It is a 15-day session, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you get. Definitely it will help you become profitable and proficient trader, where the strategies will definitely help you out in your decisions making. Also, yes, you can be part of my VIP Signals group. Reach out to me for more details on both. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. So yes, if you start at 98.18, definitely one can expect that it is going to hit $100. The first milestone, 101.2, the next milestone. Beyond that, one can definitely expect it to remain bullish, and then my target is going to be 102.5, 104.5 levels. It can achieve these levels, and beyond that, sky is the limit, but 106 should come to the rescue, and then 107. Now for any bullish reversal, I look forward to this zone 106, 107, and then the double top and 110 should come into picture. Beyond that, definitely one can expect that oil can remain bullish throughout the month of August, and we can expect it to rise high. However, achieving 110, making double top, it can again drop for the towards the end of the month. That you need to be cautious of. So yes, if you see it trading below 96, you can go short there. I will rather say, see, there are very nearby support zones at 95 and then 94, and only breaking 94 one can confirm that it is going to drop further, possibly towards 92, 90, and then 88. Breaking 80, one can remain short for the rest of the month. Looking forward to 84 and $80. My target is towards 80. If it continues to trade below $90, $92 levels, one can remain short for the month. My target is going to be $80. So you can take your positions accordingly. On the upside, you have to be watchful of 106 and 110 zone. If it breaks beyond this, then one should not remain short. One should keep the longs open, and one can keep enjoying the bullish move. It is going to hit 80, 120, 130 throughout the month of this August. We can see it achieving these levels, and yes, if it resists 110 and it try to come down again, then probably those are the good levels at where you can go short, and one can expect it to come down again and drop towards $90 and then $80 in the month of August itself. So take your positions accordingly. Do trade with a stop loss. The larger consolidation zone is in between 94 and 106. In between these $12, we have to be very attentive while taking any position. But if you have taken the positions according to this, definitely you have to keep trading with a stop loss. You have to keep trading with the trailing stop loss. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Don't miss the daily analysis, and don't miss to watch, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Don't miss to join my free Telegram channel and my mentorship batch. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.